distant time and faraway place, the planet of New Texas floats deep in space. Sky of 3 suns, land of precious ore. The Carrium Rush brought outlaws by the score. And one day, a lawman appeared, with powers of hawk, wolf, puma, and bear. Protector of peace, mystic man from afar, champion of justice, Marshal Bravestarr. Bravestarr.
Eyes of the hawk, ears of the wolf. Bravestarr.
Bravestarr.
Strength of the bear, speed of the puma. Bravestarr.
Bravestarr.
It is morning, Bravestarr. You have been deep in thought for many hours. What troubles you?
My memories. They are like this medallion. There are pieces missing. So many things I don't know about my past.
The missing pieces will return by themselves. They cannot be forced.
Why can't you just tell me? Where did I come from? Who was I?
Searching for the answers will teach you even more than finding them. And remember, it is not who someone was that counts, but who someone is now.
Thank you, wise friend. You remind me of my duty. Since the person I am serves as the Marshal of New Texas.
All the better reason to judge people by what they are, and nothing else.
There's Handlebar. Morning, Handlebar. What brings you to these parts?
Doc asked me to look in on the Thomases. Just brought him some soup. You?
Day off. See you in town tonight?
How about dinner?
Great. Good man, Handlebar. Can't think of many other folks I'd sooner pick as a friend.
Gee, thanks.
Oh, come on, Pard. You know I meant you too.
Oh, yeah, sure you did.
There she is, Captain. New Texas.
About time. We've searched a lot of planets, but this time I've got a feeling we've caught up with him.
You think he still looks the same?
If he does, I'll promise you one thing. He won't when I'm through with him. Our first step is send down the Robo-Scout to check the place out.
Aye, aye, sir. Robo-Scout away.
This place is boring. All I got to do is be your taxi between Fort Carrium and Shaman. What I need is a little action.
I think you might get it, Big Pard, because that's an unauthorized landing.
Now that's what I call service.
Halt. Identify your launch source and programmer.
Destroy all who interfere with mission.
Evasive action in fighting mode, Pard.
Now you're talking.
Take that back.
I'll match my Sarah against your laser pop gun anytime. Attack. Attack.
Strength of the bear!
Maybe I can check its programming to find out who sent this thing.
Self-destruct. Self-destruct.
Uh-oh. Hit the ground!
Guess we won't be finding out much from that machine.
Maybe not, but we're gonna find out what's going on.
You miserable wrecks! Give it 50! We're attacking Fort Carrium tomorrow, and I want you people in shape.
Dad burn it, Tex! This ain't gonna help us take over Fort Carrium! Come on, boss! Yes, not soldiers!
No, cuz you're a cigar-smoking fool! All the way down! Hut, 2, 3, 4! Hut, 2, 3, 4!
How are we gonna get past the town's defenses?
Let me show you my new hex load. Space pirates, my kind of people.
What a dump.
We ain't staying long, Captain. Got to find our old shipmate, take our revenge, and get off the planet before the local marshal spots us. Oh no! Stay a while.
Who said that?
I did. I'm gonna let you pirates help me capture Fort Carrium.
You're gonna let us?
Get lost, cowboy! Careful now. You don't want to make my pet angry. What's the matter, amigo? No sense of humor?
We aren't attacking any towns. We're busy.
Oh, too bad. You could have earned a barrel of carrium. You and your man could retire.
Carry him? Mister, you sound like my kind of cowboy. Tell me, what do you want us to do?
You know Tex never quits.
Well, Bravestarr beat him pretty bad last time.
Aye, that's right. And Tex said he'd take his revenge on the whole town.
Well, he might have turned over a new leaf.
Oh, ha!
Well, I never saw that before. Were you in the Navy?
I think that's my business.
Well, pardon me.
I'm sorry, JB. I'm sorry.
Guarding Marshal Bravestarr! We're Marshal Bravestarr! We're under attack!
Fuzz, switch the town into defensive mode right away.
Oh, yes, ma'am!
I'll check the distant warning viewers. That thing needs a new circuit module.
Let's see a close-up of that.
What in heaven's name is that?
It's a Neptunian Zeta bomb.
A bomb?
It can blast through these walls as if they were paper.
Transformers, get busy!
Aye, aye, sir. Aye, aye, sir.
Oh, Handlebar, where you going to?
Hey, what's that?
Uh-oh, that's Handlebar. And a wagon with a bomb. Time for a power jump, big pard.
Hang on to your hat.
More speed, that blame it! Have to stop it!
Look out below!
Hang on, Handlebar. Strength of the bear. Handlebar, 30-30, get down.
Maybe the overload blew out. That's the last straw. If Tex Hex thinks he can get away,
If Tex had used the real Zeta bomb, it wouldn't have been a joke.
You've seen one of these bombs before?
Yep.
Why would anybody make a joke out of it?
Somebody with a warped sense of humor, or somebody who wanted to see how our defenses work without destroying anything valuable.
That's a trick the space pirates use.
Yeah, I know.
Handlebar, what's the matter?
I'm sorry. I feel dizzy. I better go back.
gosh, he looked like he'd seen a ghost.
More like he'd seen something out of his past. There goes a frightened man. You feel better now?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Mighty funny the way that dizzy spell hit you so sudden-like.
People who say they're your friends shouldn't ask so many questions.
Sometimes it's hard to be a friend and a marshal at the same time.
Now then, shipmates. These go into the main transformers.
How do we set him off, Glebo?
Long distance with the ship's radio. And when they blow Fort Kirium's power supply will be gone.
Yeah, without power, their defense system won't work. And that barrel of Kirium will be ours.
Once I arrange to have the main gate left open, we can waltz in here like we own the place.
Lebo!
Cookie, I knew I'd find you.
Who's your friend, Handlebar? You're new around town, aren't you, mister?
If I was you, shipmate, I'd get him out of here. I'd get everybody out of here.
No, that isn't very sociable, stranger.
Get out of here, all of you!
What's going on?
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Out! All of you! This is my place and I'm closing it!
All right, Handlebar, we'll leave. But if you decide you need help, just remember who your friends are.
Thanks.
For Pete's sakes, Bravestarr, it's getting late.
I thought this muck file of yours was the hottest police tool since DNA prints.
Listen, it works fine if you know what you're looking for.
I know I've seen Ratface on a wanted flyer from another solar system. Wait a minute. Try Aldebaran. Hold it. That's the one.
Glebo Eglig, citizen of Aldebaran 2, multiple convictions for piracy, wanted for...
So, he's a space pirate. But how does he know Handlebar?
Here's the rest of the pirate gang.
Oh,
Oh, no!
Cookie Blixenix, surrendered on Peyton's planet, served 2 years for piracy, record cleared.
Paid his debt, and he came to New Texas. But he didn't want us to know about his past.
A man can start fresh here.
You're asking me to unlock the gate and betray my friends?
You know the defense system. We can't get through it unless you unlock the gate.
Never!
If you don't, we'll tell them you were a space pirate. Then see how your marshal feels about that. So, he's going to leave the gate open, and then we and Tex Hex can walk right in and take over.
And afterward, we can send a message to tell the Marshal that it was Handlebar who betrayed the town. He'll go to jail, and that'll pay him back for deserting us.
Yes, and then we can take the Carium and take care of Tex Hex.
He won't get the drop on us this time. If I leave this unlocked, the pirates will take over the town. If I don't, they'll tell everyone about my past. I'll have to leave here. I'll lose all the friends I have. I don't have much choice, but no, I can't do this. I just can't. Bravestarr!
I knew you'd make the right choice, old friend.
You know what I am?
I know what you were, but it's what you are now that counts.
Thanks, Marshal. Now, how'd you two like to visit some of my ex-shipmates?
Make that 3. I'm taking Sarah Jane along.
Let's go. Here they come.
Hands up! Don't even think of moving, or Glebo will make you very sorry. I came to ask you to turn yourselves in. You what?
Hey, what's the big idea, Noodle Nose?
What's the matter, cowboy? You looking for trouble?
Better get ready, pard.
Me and Sarah Jane are always ready.
Listen, you. I'll hide you and the rest of your 2-bit barnacle pickles to destroy Fort Carium. Get busy or I'll...
Blast him, Glebo.
Oh, no, you don't. Not bad, 4 ringers. Go on, meddler. I'm giving you a chance to make your best move.
I don't need a gun against you, Tex.
Oh, hand to hand, huh? Well, how about hand to hoof?
Strength of the bear!
All right, Tex. That's enough fooling around. Unless you take the spell off those people, you can lie here and bellow till doomsday. All right, Tex.
You'll pay for this, lawman! You'll be sorry!
Okay, Pegleg. You and your men are going to jail.
Better take that, pirate, too.
Pirate?
Ex-pirate. It's like a friend of mine said. You have to judge people by what they are, not what they were.
You know, you deserve a lot of credit for trusting Handlebar. I would have said, once a pirate, always a pirate.
Not so, pard. He paid his debt, then proved to all of us that he'd changed. Friends make mistakes, and friends forgive friends. That's what trust is about, believing in somebody. Trust is one of the best parts of human nature.
There he goes with that human stuff again.
See you next time, parts.